Hey guys, so nanghiram ako ng cellphone for today's review. And this was purchased by my friend online. And sa halagang 2,000 pesos, nagulat ako kasi meron siyang 13 megapixel rear camera, 5 megapixel front camera, quad-core CPU, and 2 gigabytes of RAM. So murang-mura yun sa halagang 2,000 pesos. So we have to test it out. Okay, so yung unang tinesting ko is yung 13 megapixel rear camera. So, tinesting natin to sa park na medyo makulimlim and tinesting natin to sa mga skaters. So, mapapansin mo sa mga kuha ko, very sharp yung pictures and walang masyadong blur dun sa mga kuha kong litrato. Meron din tong 5 megapixel front camera na okay, good for selfies. Meron din siyang kasamang flash sa harap. And by the way, wala siyang beauty mode kasi stock Android camera yung nandito. So for the display, it has a 5-inch IPS HD display. So for the budget phone like this, medyo okay yung quality ng screen niya. So for the body, it's made out of pure plastic, so hindi siya ganun ka-premium. The back side, it has a reflective plastic na pwede kang malalamin. And of course, fingerprints. So dahil it's made out of pure plastic, medyo magaan siya. So the speaker is located at the bottom part, which is okay. So yung charging port nito is located beside the headphone jack. So pagka charge mo yung phone mo, it's on the top side of the phone. Alright guys, so ang grade ko dito sa cellphone nito is C+. Dahil nandito yung mga features na talagang gagamitin natin, like yung good camera, decent CPU, good RAM, and of course, affordable siya. So for more details about the product, check the link in the description box. Again guys, for more videos like this, subscribe ka lang tol. Thanks for watching.